What up, everybody? It's Ace Teen, and he got here, joined by Ethan Chapin or Ethan Clark. I don't remember what. Ethan Chapin, Emma Gamer, say hi, or Emma Teen and T Goddess. Sorry, that's. And Josh might be joining in later. You all know Josh the Grump. Yeah.
Yep.
He puts Grump. He's a Grump. He should be part of the game, but. So today we'll be in the middle of a war. You're not allowed to steal people's stuff. You're not allowed to burn down their house. You're allowed to go inside their house. Everybody shut up while I'm explaining the rule. You're allowed to go inside the house. You are allowed to murder them as much as you want. You're not allowed to take their stuff. Yes, you are. You're allowed to go in any part of their house you want. There's no restrictions on going in their house. There's no place that they can hide. Now, Ethan, be quiet while I have to test something. Now, this is like the Westerns. You can make laws or you can be an uncivilized thing. And now, if we're making laws, well, boy, you guys
I'm making a shot.
Quit the noise, Ethan. You got the llamas?
Really?
Perfect jail place. You guys will never figure it out either. What's up, dog? What's up? War. War has begun. War has begun. No, you're not allowed to leave the main island. Ethan, do you have a waypoint set there?
No.
Well, you're lost, I guess. Unless I have a death point there. Did you die there at all? No.
Really teleport.
How did you get that?
You teleported me.
No, how did you get back to your house? Are you back at your house that you're building?
Not yet.
Well, good. You're supposed to stay on the main island, but okay. Ethan, you're supposed to stay here. Yeah, you can go find your island and put a waypoint at it.
Guys, I'm going to build an arena.
An arena? No!
Why?
Because I said...
Is there only one built?
No. We're having a war. We kill each other.
That was going to make a war we could kill each other in an arena.
No. You wanna fight? Come on, let's fight.
No, I don't want to fight.
Well, we're fighting. Too bad. I'm gonna come and beat you up with my hand. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Owie, 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 ow. Okay, okay. Let's go.
Hey!
You killed yourself, not me.
I'm not telling you that you killed yourself.
Said Elsa died. I don't think you'll be able to kill me unless you have a sword. Because I doubt you can kill me with your fist. You to me. Where are you? Okay, Jesus, give me a second. Sorry for the language. For that. That's a... what is that? A religion thing? How do I fix this? I can't make it up. So, fly. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. I'll put something there.
Sorry guys, he's too safe.
What did you actually say? That these two say
Message is received from mom.
nobody be dum-dum and hit.
Emma keeps trying to walk towards my house, but I have a... What the fuck? I have a protective mechanism. Shit. Alright, my protective... No, get her out.
The cheap way to protect you.
Stay away from my house! Stay away from my house! It's my protective mechanism!
Awesome, I think she's having a coordinator what she's doing.
Yeah, I can hear that.
Nobody asked questions about why there was a random music block play.
Be quiet. Get out of my house!
Can nobody come looking for my house?
Oh my god, that works?
And I'm totally not digging out my own house like this. It's on my
Well, fuck you.
small island. Nobody should come look for me whatsoever. Because I'm totally not busy making my own house without telling you.
Ethan, get back to the mainland. Get your ass back now.
I just have to make a beacon. Really?
Did you do it?
No, you teleported me before I could!
I didn't mean to. I wasn't trying to teleport you.
I need a favor.
What?
I can't download Pixel Gun until you guys, like, literally stop using the Wi-Fi.
No? Mine's not downloading either, so shut up.
Move.
It's like taking 3 hours.
I have 54 minutes left. Pause. Okay, we're back. Sorry. How did you get in? Oh, she came through here. No. What? Ethan, guess what Emma actually did?
Killed you.
Guess why?
You didn't pay attention.
No, I let her. Because I don't want to make her seem sad that she couldn't kill me.
Could you teleport me once you ever kill someone?
Do you want to teleport it? Yeah, teleporting's easier though. What? Yeah, keep inventory's been on. We're having a war. Of course I'm going to leave on keep inventory.
Yeah, well, I won't do any of these inventories now.
Well, it's on. So. I could have teleported really fast if I was down there to where I teleport at. Oh, by the way, I have an extremely effective defense mechanism on my house. So I'd stay away if I were you.
Me?
Anyone.
Yeah. Are we doing,
Ethan, don't get that close to my house, boy.
Demons?
Hey, hey,
Hey.
hey, knock, knock. I said knock, knock.
Are we police the gods or demons?
We're doing just regular game.
It's teleported away from
We're doing war. Civil war.
Civil War, so
We're fighting. And you can build your base, and they're not allowed to dig nothing out of your base. They're not allowed to break nothing. They're not allowed to take none of your stuff.
Hey, I'm not coming towards your house.
So
I'm
what should I
running
wear?
away.
You know, I'm a major skin wearer, so what should I wear that has to do with war?
Kiko.
Alert! Dismissed!
Bitch, what are you doing up there?
Slap him while you're at it, Austin.
Hey.
Do me a favor and slap him. Did you slap him? Did you slap him right in the face?
He's laughing at me.
Slap him right in the face.
He's dead.
Yay, thank you.
Look at it.
Slapping him in the face. makes
Leave
me
my
really
fucking base, bitch. I will fucking. That's it. You're just. I want to put your ass in my fucking prison for a second. You done?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
That was just no fail.
I know it's perfectly fair.
Austin, is it okay if I get something to Emma's house?
No, you're not allowed to destroy houses or mess with houses at all.
Hey, I want to talk.
What do you want? What do you want? Why are you upstairs? Why you break my glass? What's up? What a dick. Probably need to make that less powerful. Stay away from my house. No, you broke my glass.
I did not.
I don't know who did it, but I'm blaming you.
Did I?
Teams are allowed, right?
Teams? If you want to make teams, go ahead.
Emma, on my team. Good.
Emma's on Josh's team?
Yep.
I don't care. Actually, no. Yeah, Ethan, yeah, come on in.
Okay.
Ethan, do you want, fly through the top? Don't break the glass, Dick. There's entrance ways, easy ways to get in.
Okay.
Are we playing Monsters again?
No. We're playing war, civil war. Ethan, why is this chest open? Ethan, turn around.
Teleport me. Ethan.
Ethan, I want you to do something. You're gonna be my house protector. Okay, down here, underneath this block right here. Go down there.
I can't. If I go down there, I'll be teleported there too.
No, 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 no. Go down there. Hold on. The first one says your name on it. Press it. Okay, see, this one says your name on it. Don't do it. This one is Emma's, and this one is Josh's.
This one says my name. Did it work?
Okay, this one right here, the first one says your name.
Okay. What's the second one?
This one's Emma's. This one's Josh's. So if I tell you to hit Josh's, you come all the way down to the end and hit this one. If I tell you to hit Emma's, you hit this one.
Can I break this level?
No, here. Back up. Don't hit that one. Don't hit the first one. Hit these two. Only if I tell you to. That means I'll get close to the house. So you're gonna be like the guard for a little bit. And then I'll guard, and then we'll take shit. I'm gonna block you down there.
not gonna be a very good.
Oh, where are you?
None of your business.
Yo, Austin, you want to see
Ethan, don't you fucking do it.
Okay.
We only use it as the defense mechanism. It's nuclear power, that's what it is. That's what we're using. We're using nukes.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh. Emma, we have a nuke.
Yes, we have a nuke that will blow
We're a
up.
nuclear powered teleporter. Ethan? Ah, fuck, never mind. I'll just fly through the roof. That's a really easy way to get in. I don't know why it's still open. Oh, right, because it needs to be open. Because it makes efficiency.
That's the reason why I put the hole in the roof.
Why? There's other ways to get in through the
So I
roof.
can get in without
But it was so much easier to go the other ways. Yeah, don't break our stuff. It won't kill her, it'll just teleport her to the same spot over and over and over and over and over. You know, you just let it go. As long as the lever's flipped downwards and it's on, she'll teleport to the same spot over and over.
Okay.
I'll try something.
Do you see those?
This work.
Yeah, Austin, I'm gonna chip so you can play more.
You guys have to be at the same
You know, do not come to Austin's house unless you're getting stuck and Austin can kill you. Come up. Where'd you go? I don't see you anytime. Where are you?
I'm above you. My face now?
Yes.
Emma, Ethan teleporter here. Where you going? Ethan, let her go.
I haven't flipped the level.
You fight? No, I don't.
Okay, come Josh. Josh is gonna teleport him back to you, okay? You ready? Want Josh to be there?
Ethan, I gotta test something. Come here. Me in anyway, so.
Yeah, Emma, if that happened,
Here,
I would
Emma.
listen to it.
Here, I'll teleport you to Josh. Teleport who? Elsa. Who? Keep her.
If I don't want to teleport it to you guys, don't teleport it to me.
Ethan, let me in.
I'm coming. I accidentally mined the wrong block.
I'm teleporting to Josh already.
I know I teleported you.
Yeah, I accidentally both.
Josh, we left the game. Ethan's on Emma's team now. Yeah. There's two bad players versus me. Who's the best player? Fix my bed now and then leave. Yeah. Emma, you want Ethan to be teleported to you? But he's on your team.
Fine.
Yeah.
How many people have known? Look. Movie then.
This is really where you live?
No, this is where Josh is living.
Dang. I can't believe you live in a.
He lives in a store. He lives in a village. A village of store.
Yeah, I call.
I know where you guys are at.
I call this place.
A village.
You guys ain't got no defense mechanisms. Where's your defenses, dicks?
What?
Emma, this is war.
I'm not playing.
I probably shouldn't. Do you want me to downgrade my sword?
If you guys want to keep killing, I don't like war.
That's well. Then don't play.
Please, when I quit the game.
Well, we told you we were playing war when we started, Emma.
It's Emma, not Emma.
I didn't mean to say that.
How you doing, brother?
If you don't want to play, then don't do YouTube. Get over it.
I can do different.
This might have my lift upgrade.
Shit, I'll fucking take power off my sword. We're supposed to kill each other, that's the point. But I will take it down some so you don't fly so far. What's up? Okay, Emma, my sword isn't so strong, so it won't kill you. Ethan, I have to test something. How much does that do to you? 7? Cool.
What up, guys? It's me, Matthew.
Oh shit, that's still...
Why I'm doing this?
Emma, you can't be playing that in here with us.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you can't. We'll get in trouble. Copyright. Thank you, Bill. Ethan, we're not on a team. You know that, right? Now, what's so powerful on this damn fucking bow? I'll take a power punch. No.
What?
You can use mine if you get back in the game.
I built my phone then.
It's right there on the end of the bed.
It died, so I need to jump for it.
Yeah, now my bow won't one-shot kill you guys. It won't one-shot kill you. It'll take at least 2 or 3 shots. Still quite a many shots. Emma, yours takes 3 shots. Actually, yours takes 4 shots. It's 1 more than mine takes. Get a bow, make one, dumbass. It's war, everything goes. Ethan, what's wrong with your phone? Right there.
I checked that out, toolbox.
Well, fucking fix it.
You have.
This magical chest, God. Anyway, it was a magical chest. It was always open. Yeah, there we go. We fixed it. Emma, are you in the game? Okay, so I guess I'm gonna play alone for a little bit until someone else gets in. So we're gonna go upgrade these command blocks, defense mechanisms, stuff. What kind of defenses can I put against the wall? Oh, no. How about you knew? I know. I know. I'm doing public though. Yeah. Yeah. Shut up, Emma! He's not. It's a freaking bunk bed. They wobble. Fly is no longer allowed.
What?
It's a new rule because people just fly and you can't see them on a mini-map. You don't get to make rules. You're not allowed to leave this island. You're not allowed to leave this island.
If they dig a hole in the winter time place, you gotta let them out before you can start going to kill them, okay?
Okay, whatever. Oh. I'm making a wall. I'm making a wall over my freaking around my castle.
Okay, you ready to see me? Ready to see me on Minecraft? I gotta beat you a level on hammer block.
How did this happen? Messing up.
Hey!
Hey, what?
Not much.
Guys, this is just a switch to switch. Baby.
Ethan, will you be my testing dummy?
It's gonna be switching to each game.
I can't have them.
Now there's no way for you to get into my house.
That's just whatever.
What? I'm doing a switch to switch video.
Emma, you can't have that playing.
I'm busy.
Why doesn't anybody come to my house? I'm going to do something.
Do-do-do-do-do. I'm a lot of you.
I just dumped it.
Ethan, if I come to your house, I'm killing you.
Ethan, one. Ethan,
You know,
one.
you guys get more items if you kill me, right?
Ethan, one. What? Yeah.
Yeah.
If I kill you, I'm
The winner gets a prize. The winner who has the most kills at the end gets a prize. Someone go get me my notebook. Or Emma, go get me my freaking binder down there.
I killed you once, so.
That doesn't count. It's starting now. I need my I need a pen and paper. Or pen. I need a pen, so go get a pen out of Mom's room. Or just find me a pen. No, pen. Oh, and guys, I hope you enjoyed the new logo that I put up. It's a real cool logo.
I hope I don't find you.
Find me, I'm at my house.
I'm gonna kill you.
If you can get through my wall.
I couldn't find any.
Then fucking give me a pencil.
Austin, I can't.
Pencil.
What happened to my colored pencil that you were using the other day?
Huh? What color pencil?
The one on my... Okay, fine, look down there for a colored pencil.
Austin, when I say I'm gonna kill you, I mean I'm really gonna kill you.
And cheating to kill me doesn't count.
I'm diamond with a pickaxe. I'm diamond a chin sword. I'm coming to move you.
Killing me to kill.
Remember, no flying.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to use a plank.
Fine, throw them here.
What are you doing? Hopefully this village hasn't been raided yet.
Guys, this is the last what we're gonna do. I'm gonna keep on Oh my god,
You weren't the one that talked, so shut up.
But we...
Austin, do the oh my god, I broke my hand.
Austin, do it.
No.
You
Do
better-
it.
Lily is
You're
not...
an asshole. Do it. You look like Kardashian when you do it.
That was Lily, not us.
There we go. Still watching Treehouse Masters? Oh, well, I don't care. I'm changing it.
Austin, are you doing that?
What?
Are you invisible?
Oh, South Park!
Okay, let's do this.
Yes, it really is South Park.
I'm the only one who can get over my...
Well, you do have a teleportation thing.
No, I don't.
I'll tell you, he sounds just like Dad.
Do what? I'm playing Minecraft.
Yeah, you sound like Dad.
Go away. Thank you, Mom.
Austin, why?
Oh, the prize for winning the war, which having the most kills, you know what it is? And command block. And I'll set it to do whatever. I'll set it to do whatever you want it to.
Austin, can you teleport me to you?
Whatever.
I'm not teleporting you. No, you're not allowed to go in creative. It's the only thing I won't set it to do.
Please teleport me to you.
I totally ain't making a secret fort that nobody can know about.
Why did you
Yeah,
do
no.
that? Now you know.
I don't think he's gonna play.
Austin, nobody wants a secret fort.
There you go, you're right outside my house.
Okay, this looks easy.
Hey!
What did you just do? You're not flying, are you, bitch? The only time you're allowed to fly is if you're at your own house. Be quiet. That's it.
Are you done taking my shit? Are you done taking my shit?
Be quiet.
Yeah, well, we're taking my shit.
Ethan, what are you doing?
You're
Try to do my job.
No, we have new jobs. We're gonna arch. Archery's our job now.
Get above.
Oh, fucking fine, here. Ethan, I gotta see if this kills you. Hold still. Does that kill you? Does that hurt a lot?
Very much.
Okay. One, two, three. Don't go out. Here, Ethan, I'll give you a pressure plate. So you constantly have a pressure plate so you get back inside. Ethan, here. I know, you can stand on it and move. I can do it too. I know, it bounces you up on top of it, not... It doesn't work that way, Ethan. Joshua, what are you doing? Are you even playing Minecraft? Open the damn door.
No, I'm gonna leave here because it shot me. My fat ass.
The fuck is wrong with you, boy?
I really have a fat ass. My ass is fat.
That is gay. Don't fucking say that. What? Ethan's on my team. Probably. Do you want the damn bow or not? Nothing. It's my hair. No, you won't. Well, she's asking for it. Go do it. Don't leave the switch on. Just turn it on and turn it on. The bow, it's already upgraded. No. No, my sword doesn't even do much damage now. Ethan, there's a couple arrows in this chest. Wow. Emma, there's no such thing as a teleporting box. What do you want, Emma? What do you want? You're not allowed to fly. Those are the rules. Now quit flying or else you die. Huh? This is our base. Well, too bad. This is our base. I built it. Have Josh make it. The only time you can fly is if you're inside a base. Are you up there? Fly, go up another level. Go up to the top level.
God, I will quit this game.
Watch that mouth!
Didn't even cuss.
It doesn't matter. You said something bad.
What? What did she say?
She's swearing to God.
What?
Yeah, it's a religious thing and you can get in trouble for that too.
I cannot believe you're tripping.
You can get in trouble for that on YouTube.
Oh my god, you know always need to be recording every freaking thing you play.
I thought I was doing a video, so I'm doing it.
Ethan!
Ethan, why'd you kill her? No, you won't.
I quit.
Go ahead, that means Josh is by himself.
I quit YouTubing.
You okay?
Means Josh is by himself. And Emma, that's the point of the game.
The funny thing is
I
how
was
easy
trying
it
to go
was.
to bed. I'm trying to do it.
Not here, this is our property.
Yeah.
I was going to build it on my property house.
You need to move your house.
Emma, you wouldn't believe how.
But whatever, keep it wherever the hell you want, I guess.
Austin.
If you won't let me, you're just going to kill me again.
Ethan, don't fucking kill her. Emma, quit your bitching or else I'm gonna pop you in the mouth.
I killed you because Austin
There you
shot
go
you.
with that swear, Austin.
I'm allowed to swear. It's my damn channel. Ethan, hand off the loot. No, Josh said he'd do Minecraft with us. Hey, Josh, you're not allowed to fly. Are you sure? No, you're not allowed to fly. You have to be in your base.
Yes, you have to be allowed to base fly. I can't.
Did I hit him? I did it. Because you were flying.
Shut up.
We made a rule that no one's allowed to fly.
You made a rule by ass, because I fucking ain't got shit, and you guys got everything.
We don't have everything. You're allowed to give yourself items.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill you.
Ethan, go after him. He will kill you. Josh, how do we have all the items?
Austin, I'm going to the nether.
Well, for one, my bow's gone. I have no idea what happened to it. I ain't changed nothing on me.
I'm going to get some nether blocks so we can light the people on fire.
You have some ender pearls?
Do I have everything? Does it look like I have everything?
Yes. Yes. Dude, why are you so laggy? Dude, your character's so laggy. Josh's. What do you want, Emma?
I ain't OP.
You ain't OP. That means you changed your name.
I have this freaking name.
Did you change it and then change it back?
No,
Did Emma when she was playing?
probably.
If someone changed their name and then changed it back, you won't have nothing. But you're allowed to give yourself items. I OP'd you. What the hell? How did that... Here, Emma.
What's the name on Minecraft?
Elsa.
I got it.
That was me, by the way. Not Josh.
Next time, let me build a base.
I bet one of these niggas is gonna try and dig through a wall. That's why I'm sitting up here on top, ready for them. I'm ready for these motherfuckers.
Yeah, I'm in the nether.
Oh shit, Ethan, I don't have you as my defense mechanism. Hey, and Josh, yeah, you do have your bow because you shot me earlier.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Don't you lie.
Eat it. I don't have a bow.
Okay, whatever.
I'm sorry, Austin. I shot you.
See?
Why?
Only because I saw you and John. You look like him.
No, follow me if you want to.
Somebody shot it through the nether portal.
Ethan, I need someone running my nuclear protectors.
I'm coming. I literally told you I was going
What are you doing, Josh?
Me, I'm going somewhere. I'm still on the island. Leave me alone.
This is the mainland. You're not allowed to leave the mainland.
Alright, I won't. Don't be following us. Go back to your freaking whatever you call it.
Go away. Oh, go nuts.
Those are for Josh, Emma.
You drop those.
No.
Josh, I dropped you something even better. You can't light our houses on fire, though. That's a...
How's it out with that?
No.
Hey, you guys will see how to be a...
You got it.
Oh, Josh, I have another thing for you. You guys want to pitch your team and stuff? Who, me?
You want me to do it?
No, I just shot her. Did you get your Dermans?
Yeah, I got my dirt.
Okay, so you should be pretty set up. Emma left the game, so Josh is on him, or Ethan's on Josh's team.
Oh my god!
This is the longest video I've ever done. Okay, so guys, this has been a long enough video. We will see you in the next one. This is 45 minutes, almost an hour. Bye.